Friends, today we are posting another video in our ECnG channel, and first of all, today is World Hearing Day, and I'll tell all the congratulate all the persons who have increased and got their hearing back through us through the ECnG technique, and we'll be hoping in the future we'll be helping the persons in need जिनको hearing का issue होगा, so that we can help and get the hearing back for them. And we have a patient from Nepal who came with the hearing loss and eardrum perforation. Eardrum perforation was not that quite big, but that was causing her hearing loss, and we treated her on ECnG treatment, and today her hearing is better and this eardrum is almost completely filled. So we have Mrs. Bina from Nepal. You want to say something?
म चाहिँ नेपालबाट आएको हो मेरो एयरड्रममा चाहिँ पर्फोरेसन थियो अनि यहाँ उहाँ डाक्टर साहबसँग गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ likely 3 weeks मा nearly close हुन आँट्यो एकदमै I am very happy for that. Thank you very much.
Thank you.